Artificial intelligence has been in the news lately, and it is a hot topic. One example of artificial intelligence is art generators such as popular Daily 2, Midjourney, or Stable Diffusion. These programs create original art by analyzing paintings or photos on the internet according to instructions set by the user. As these tools become more widespread, some people are forecasting the end of human artists. But there are some people who think the opposite. And I'm one of these people who think that art generators will help people to express their creativity more. But in this video, I would like to focus on the fact that an incredible amount of these tools have emerged recently. And that is something that really freaked me out a little bit. It is not just a handful of programs. Lately, almost every graphic software came with an AI-powered image generator. I'm talking about Canva, Photoshop, or Creative Fabrica, but I have also seen other tools I'm using for my websites come with such features. I'm mainly a blogger who owns a portfolio of websites, and to be more efficient, I use AI writing tools like Ritter or Jasper to improve the quality of my articles and boost my productivity. These AI tools are specially designed to help writers, but now even these AI writers come with the ability to create images from text prompts. And these are only a few of the tools I'm currently using, such as Ritter or Jasper. I can't imagine how many other tools are also including this feature. And the most interesting thing is that the quality is not bad at all. Just take a look at Ritter, a tool I'm using for content production. When you create a sentence in Ritter's interface, you can highlight it to access a few magic commands that help you improve the text. There are few useful features here, but now they have included an AI image generator in this menu bar. Let's test it. For example, I will use this sentence. After I highlight the prompt and click on the AI image generator, it takes a few seconds and gives me one image. And I think the result is quite decent. It also makes it easy to change the size of the image by dragging the white arrow in the right bottom corner. As a blogger, I understand the idea behind it. When you write a blog post, you can use the same interface and create original images for the article. It is pretty convenient, I would say. But if my favorite AI writer has such a feature, how many other AI-powered writing assistants have this feature too? In my opinion, there are already too many AI image generators on the market, and we need some sort of consolidation. It is the same with AI writers. There are so many of them that it can't be possible that they all are profitable. So we need to wait a few years to see which of them will remain and which will disappear. However, we need to understand that AI art is here to stay and we need to accept it. Currently, the generated art by artificial intelligence has its limitations, and it will take a long time to be more outstanding. In my opinion, in the future, AI will be able to take on a role of an artist's creative partner, help them create art that is more personal as well as more marketable. And marketable is the ideal word here, because right now it's quite difficult to sell such art. While AI-generated art is still in its infancy, it is a growing segment of the art market. This trend is expected to continue and it will surely become a billion-dollar industry. I think that AI is changing the way we create, consume, and appreciate art. Artists are still needed in the new era of artificial creativity, but they have to learn how to make their work more valuable and also find new ways to monetize their art. It is true that AI technologies can have both positive and negative impacts depending on how they are used, and art is no exception. I believe that recent developments in AI-generated art are bringing us to a new era in which technology will create new types of artists and allow more people the access to illustration. That said, like any other technology and new media coming out, AI will provide more opportunities for people to bring their visions to life. And I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions, please use the comment section below the video and I will try to reply to all.